We're about to create our Metahuman DNA downloaded from Bridge. In this tutorial, you'll learn to craft your custom Metahuman DNA from scratch within Maya. This process is crucial as it serves as our starting point. Please note this is a one-time process and essential. Previously, we created our body DRV and exported our body and combined mesh. Now, in this tutorial, we'll also export the head mesh for the wrapping process. Let's get started. Open a new scene and launch the Metapipe. User interface will appear. Some buttons might be grayed out, indicating their availability at your current process stage. Click on the Build DNA button. This button functions similarly to the DNA viewer, but in a more simplified version. For this process, you don't need to assign a GUI, analog GUI, or an additional assemble file. Also, you don't need to assign your DNA. The code will use your DNA path inside Preferences. In the pop-up menu, you have three options. If you want to modify the head and DNA, please choose the editable option. If you don't want to modify the head and DNA but only want to modify expressions or the body, please choose Rigged option. You can cancel this process by clicking on the Cancel button. Let's create a starter scene for our future DNA modifications. Click on the Editable button. This might take some time as it rebuilds the metahuman from scratch. Once it loads into the scene, you might notice the mesh slightly above the scene. Before proceeding, do not forget to save the scene for future use. Go to the Metapipe UI. Click on the three dots and select Save Scene. This action will save the scene inside the DNA calibration data folder, accessible via the Starter Scenes button. When you restart Maya or start for a new character, there's no need to repeat this process. Click on the three dots and choose Starter Scene. Finally, let's export our head mesh for the wrapping process. You'll use this file when you need to wrap your head separately. For these meshes, naming is not crucial. You can save it to anywhere you want. And that's it! Good luck with your metahumans, and bye.